staring right at me. What's up, buddy? He or she. She's got tiny, tiny antlers. Can't really tell on camera. Getting nailed by bugs. He's moving now. Whenever I start walking, he freezes. Oh, saw me again. Come this way so I can get a good shot of you. He's chewing. Should have brought my GoPro. I don't know how the zoom is on that thing. It might not be good. I almost didn't go for a walk today. Was like so close to just staying in, but then I went, and then I was debating on what trail to go on, and I almost didn't come to this one, but then I did, and then I saw a deer. I also saw like these groundhog things, but I'll look back. I don't think I got a good video of it. I tried to zoom in because they're kind of far away from me, and I don't think I got them. I couldn't really find the zoom. Like when you zoom in, you know how it's hard to find the thing you're looking at? That's what happened. I'm gonna walk up to this field up here and see if there's anything there. If not, I'm turning around going back. It's extremely humid out.